Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking how the latch meets the striker. Look for vertical or horizontal offset and note the gap in millimeters. Once noted, remove the 2 screws and lift the plate. Do not force it. Make clear pencil marks around the plate so you can reposition later. You need the correct tools ready. Using the right driver prevents camming out and stripped heads. This step matters because accurate removal and marking save time when you test fit adjustments. Now you modify the strike area so the latch enters smoothly. File one side or chisel a little out, then retest the latch. Repeat until the bolt slides freely. If the plate needs to shift, insert thin shims under the plate or carefully enlarge the mortise so the plate sits flush. When metal contacts metal, remove sharp edges and burrs with a file to stop rubbing. Make small changes because overcutting causes a loose fit. Gradual work keeps the door aligned and secure. Finish by seating the plate and driving screws snugly. Use slightly longer screws into the frame for better hold when possible. Once installed, cycle the door slowly and then quickly, about 20 times, to confirm consistent engagement. Listen for scraping or catching. If it still binds, back out and tweak the mortise or shims, then retest. If problems persist, swap to an adjustable or deeper strike plate. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.